Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei MatePad 12X, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the system and updates. Now let's tap on system navigation. And as you can see right now, we've got the 3-key navigation, the gestures are right above it. Before we'll change it, just tap on the settings. I just wanted to show you that here you can reorder the navigation keys, you can also select the position, so basically you can customize it. So now let's tap on the gestures. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it. I will also explain the gestures to you in a second. So as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got actually nothing, which means that we just set in the gestures. We can enter the settings. If you want to, you can show the navigation bar, so the specific line at the bottom of the screen. It's totally up to you. You can slide across bottom to switch apps and try out gestures, so go through the tutorial. Alright, so now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. However, make sure that you do not elongate this gesture, because you have to because you will open this additional bar with the apps. So just make sure that your motion will be quick and short, like that. And as you can see, we just got back the same situation from the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this gesture is also quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recent, so repeat the gesture, however elongate it, and hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And after releasing, you can see the recent. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.